Now that we have all the guides and the reel seat and the grip put on the rod, let's look it over carefully, taking off any tape or residue that we might have. It's also a good time to line up the guides and make sure they're all straight. This looks great, and I know you want to go fishing, but there are still a few things we have left to do. Let's take a look at the whole rod here. All the guides are on. They're straight, they're lined up. We are ready to go to the next step. At this point, we could put finish on all the wraps and then go fishing. But there's one other thing we can do, and that's put a custom label on the rod. This is what it looks like with a label and without a label. Really doesn't matter. It's really your call. If you've decided to add a custom label, start by removing the backing from the carrier sheet. Carefully place the decal on the rod where you'd like it to be. Rub it with the same tool you use for burnishing from the center outwards. Peel away the carrier sheet. Label looks really nice. We'll put finish on this when we put finish on our thread wraps.